Hello there, my good people. Product. I'm coming from you from Urban Apparel and AccessoriesPlus.com. We got to put the .com in it. I want to let you know I have increased inventory to some of my favorite designer products. And by me being in the retail and knowing people, I can get it wholesale at a discounted price. It's still expensive. So I can only sell it so much at a discount price, but it's still gonna be a doggone good price. I got the Hermes, got the belt. The Hermes belt is in extra large, you know. I'm a nice size woman. Well, look at that buckle. Just look at it. But I only have two of these. It's in like a brown. It's in like this. I want to keep it all wrapped up, so that's why I'm not bringing it out of the package. It's like the calf skin. See, it's like this brown here. It's all wrapped up in this nice silver. Oh, boy. Oh, that looks so good. And as you can see, you pay a healthy price for it, but everything is all wrapped up for you. You can message me on Facebook. The website on Facebook is Urban and Variety Plus LLC. Or you can send a message on my YouTube channel, Urban and Variety Plus. And also on Instagram, Urban and Variety. All of them are Urban and Variety Plus. And on Instagram, you can pull me up on NV Foofy. NVEEFUV as in victory, EE. But that's the Hermes. That's your Hermes belt. And like I said, you can message me and I can give you the price for that. I also got the Balenciaga socks. I only have them in black and white. Black and white. Just put it in message which ones you would like. I can invoice you, and you know, I do Cash App, Zelle, things of that nature. And I also have the Balenciaga hat. That's the Balenciaga hat. So what you'll have to do is, like I said, is to message me and I can let you know the price and everything. And please, only serious buyers message me, because this is not, I'll let you know the price. This is not a negotiation and let's negotiate. You're gonna, you know, all barter system. It is none of that, okay? Please, with all of that. We have no time for that. You don't do that. You're not gonna go at the Hermes store, the Balenciaga store, the Louis store. You ain't gonna negotiate with them. And they're not gonna give you a discounted price. But I am. And I'm not calling them out. Trust and believe that. Because I love them. Because I'm always shopping there. Just like I love my Under Armour. What, on an off day, this is what I wear. Just, I keep it comfortable. I have the Louis glasses. Nice. They come in your case. Got the Louis case. You got all the coverings, the glass cleaner, and then the glass cleaner, and the pouch that holds the sunglasses in. And then you have your Louis case. And these are, they are some nice doggone glasses. I have everything I have two of. Each item that I'm showing you, I have two of. Look at that side. Woo! Scandalous. Boy, when you walk in the room, it's one of those type things. But that's how that is. Woo, child. Watch out. But they did do it. Like I said, I have two of each. Boy, you better come on with it. This your Louis bag. I have two of these. Like I said, two of each. But it's only gonna be one of these because I'm keeping one of these. Just look at it. Nice and roomy, everything. Woo! Boy, this is, woo! You better watch out. You better let somebody know. Yeah. But like I said, only two of each item, so you will have to let me know what you want and make it quick, because I already know that they're gonna go, everything is gonna go quick. So I already got for my regular orders, I got stuff going out, you know, already. So, you know, make everything, all I can do is tell you that make everything quick, because things go quick on my in my business, on my website, because I sell stuff at a very discounted price. And I try to let people know that when you shop at, I have my products on different platforms, you know. So, and those different platforms is like Amazon, you know, eBay, you know. Then I have shops on like the you know, Facebook, Instagram, you know, TikTok, things of that nature. So I have to abide by their rules so I can. So I try to tell people to buy on my website, urban apparel and accessories plus.com. I try to tell people to shop on my website because I can dictate my website. If you buy, you know, anything $19.99 and under, I'm getting ready to change that. $19.99 and under is free shipping. I can't do that on no platforms because I got to go by their rules. And I'm not knocking them. Trust me, because I still want their business. I get plenty of business on all my platforms that my products is on. So I still want that business, but I can't hold all the discounts, and I can't and sell my price at real low, too low, because I get flagged. You know, there's people out here hating because they might sell the same product, but I'm selling it too low. So they want to sit here and complain about it. But that's just how retail is. So I have to either increase my product or, you know, it's going to get taken off of that platform. And I'm not calling no platform out because I love the business. But I'm just letting you all as my customers. I love you all. And I want you to know that I have no control over no platform but my website. And in my website, I can give you all kind of discounts. I'm trying to get you to shop on my website so I can give you those discounts. And I can give you that free shipping $19.99 and under. I can't do that nowhere else because that's not my platform. So just understand that. But I just wanted to drop on by and let you know what's going on in this neck of the woods, as my brother would say. But I want to let you know about the designer products that I have now, and I only buy so many because they are not cheap, you know. So on top of all my other products, and then you add in designer products, it's not a cheap type situation going on. So I only have limited supply, so you have to get on board, or, you know, get it while it's there or it's gone. And then you will have to get on a waiting list, because that's a good thing. Once it's sold out, then get on the waiting list, so when it comes in, you will be the first one to grab it up. Okay? But y'all be blessed. I want to let you know what's going on at Urban and Variety Plus. And again, the website is Urban Apparel and Accessories.com. Y'all be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. A wonderful, wonderful week. And be happy and smile in spite of.